So now I need to get this onto a punchy thing so I can hold it from this angle and plunk it into the cube. We're doing bridges. I'm gonna say that's under well enough. Oh God, I'm just gonna roast this for a bit. Oh God, oh God. Oh, I'm so afraid this is just gonna like combust on me. I probably don't need to, but I'm gonna do a fourth point. Oh, the cracking is real. Yeah, this cracking is absolutely horrifying. Okay, we're gonna warm her all back up. Absolutely terrified. I heated these both up. Now it's time to attach, and I'm not ready.